In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track whale wallets. I'm currently live doing a 30-day marathon, live on stream, showing people how to snipe meme coins live inside of the trenches. Specifically, you are going to need to know how to track wallets. So I'm going to show you how I track wallets. But first, you need to understand these ground rules. It's very important that you follow these ground rules. I'm not going to be like one of these influencers, right, that are going to tell you that you can just copy this wallet and make millions of dollars. No. Number one, do not copy trade 24/7. If you're copy trading 24/7, you're going to go broke, right? Even if the person has a 90% success rate, 80% success rate, they're playing a different game than you. Most traders lose money on average and then they make big wins here and there with size, right? So if you're betting the same amount, 0.1 sol, 0.01 sol, 0.5 sol, and they're changing their bets and then they go big on one player, make it all back, you're on average going to lose money. Number two, only copy trade when you're not trenching, right? As you guys have seen from this live stream, I'm around my room, I'm doing different things, I'm sleeping, I'm awake. When I go sleep, before I go sleep, I turn on my copy trader because I know that I don't want to miss out on the next wave. So I'll pick my smartest wallet, turn on the copy trader, let it run. And number three, accept that you might not make as much. If you miss out on a play, your copy trader is just supposed to give you exposure to the asset class. It's not supposed to make you magically rich, right? So one's in the chat if that's making sense. I see some people already 3x in profit on this live stream. It's going crazy, right? So let's start off with GMGN. Now, GMGN is a huge, super powered website for finding meme coins. If you want to find meme coins, you can find them over here. You can see it's got different options: 1 minute, 5 minute, hourly, 6 hour, 24 hour for newly launched meme coins. You shouldn't be using Pomfon at all. You can see new pairs over here as well. Copy trade option is what we're going to focus on over here. And now, when you look at your copy trader, you can see it has different options. It has an option for pump fund, right? This is pump fund smart money. These are your degens that make money on average. It has smart money. These are general people in general who make money. Fresh wallets which are making money right now, because obviously some people might be making money, send the money to a new wallet. You want to catch new wallets. KOs and VCs, these are key opinion leaders, people of influence. Then we have snipers. These guys are the ones that sit there, snipe launches. Hard to copy trade snipers, but good to see what they're getting into. Okay. Now, the good part about GMGN is you can actually easily save these wallets. One click copy trade these wallets as well, and you'll be able to have an in-depth analysis of their P&L. You can see this specific trader over here, updated as of 55 seconds ago. Wallet address is at the top. You can click to copy that, or you can open that inside of Solana Scan if you know how to use that. This is like the back end of Solana, like the person's actual wallet. But here you can see that in the last 7 days, he is up over 1,300%. He's made over $19,000 or almost 100 Solana, which is amazing. He's got a 100% win rate. You see his total P&L here. He's got zero unrealized profits, so he's realized all of his gains, and he's only made 1 out of 20 transactions. What I personally like to look for is more active wallets. I look for wallets which have done 20, 30, or even more transactions, and that on average have an 80% or better. You want to make sure that you find wallets which you can actively track them and you can see them that they're making more and more transactions. You don't want wallets that aren't making plenty of transactions and have plenty of activity. Now, if you have a look over here, you can go back to the main page and then you can have a look and you can look for the ones with more transaction history. You can see 21 days, 8 days, 5 days, 13 days, 77 days. Transactions, 77 transactions. You click here. This one is more of a wallet that I would personally track, right? You can see it over here. Realized profits 80, 81 Solana. You can see cooked 4 hours, which is the main play. This was only 4 hours ago. So 4 hours ago, he realized a total profit of over $7,000. So if you copy traded this wallet, you would have made the same thing, $7,000, right? And then look, it went up and went down. So if this was a period of time where you was busy, just by copy trading the wallet while you was sleeping, doing whatever, you would have managed to get in. Now, this is just one of the many wallets. You want to have a repository of these ones and different ones. Guys, believe me, I have hundreds of wallets that I copy trade to give me information to use it, right? If you want to find GMGM, again, link in the description to find this. But if you click copy over here, you want to set up your copy settings. Now you have max buy amount, and then you have fixed buy amount, okay? You want to put your max buy amount as 100 times less than whatever you're using. So if you have, let's say 100 SOL, which is about like $20,000, right? You want to put 1 SOL per max buy, okay? Because you don't want to burn out or have this thing run out, especially while you're sleeping. Believe me, I've had my account run out, and then all of a sudden, it's too late, right? I've missed out on a call, missed out on 10x, 20x, whatever, and all it was because I was just betting too much per trade, right? Next, you want to have auto sells on. I don't personally use TP levels. I just put my auto sells on because we want to copy trade at the end of the day. And then advanced sessions over here, I'll also just keep this open as well, making it confirm. You can alternatively put like, I want to have higher market caps and stuff like that as well. And then it's as simple as just pushing start. Once you push start, done. It's as simple as that, right? Instantly, you will be able to copy trade on top of GMGM. Now, you can also pause, as you can see here, and play these specific tokens, and you'll see them load up in the corner as new snipers, right? As well as the wallets that you were following as well over here. You can see, for example, I can easily see what tokens Bastille is buying. Okay, I can choose to copy buy him over here, or I can click it and buy. Me personally, especially when I'm working, I will just leave these two tabs open. I'll leave this one open, and I'll leave trade alert open as well. Okay, you can also see your copy trade alerts here, because these ones are failing because I need to have more Solana in it, right? Then you can click over here and you can put an alert on to let you know when you are trading as well. And there you go. It's that simple. That's how to copy trade wallets, right? We'll do a little Q&A. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the live chat. I'll answer the questions now. But that's the main drift of how to copy trade. To bring it short, while you are actively trading, you don't need to have the copy trader on, because you yourself can copy trade. So you can turn on trade alert, right? And you can see what people are up to. You can see the general overall activity. Then when you decide to go sleep, when you've got things going on, right, you can then move over and decide to trade manually or put your copy trade on. So it gives you diversification on what to use, right? In the next video, I'm going to show you guys the next step, right, on being able to master trading. So I've showed you how to copy trade, right? We can even put this in green. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to snipe. Sniping launches is an asset, something which you need to know how to do. And I want to show you how to snipe with GMGM, okay, and also how to take tracking wallets to the next level. So if you want to see that video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what wallets you're tracking. Leave some wallets that you want to track and copy trade in the link in the description. And I'll see you guys on the stream. Make sure you join the stream. If you're watching this live on stream, that's like an oxymoron. It's like a stream YouTube video. But you can let me know in the description. I see most of you guys just want to just degen anyway, so we'll continue to degen. We're going through the stream right now. We're on day 9, but I just wanted to let you know, GMGM hooked us up. They gave away $4,000. I reached out to them. I told them, listen, you need to look after the boys, look after the people. So $4,000, all you have to do, link below, sign up, and you can win it.